Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So in this video today, we have a collab and it's called the How to Decorate a Tier Tray Challenge. It's a monthly collab and it's hosted by atpennysplace. So this tier tray here, I DIY'd because I wanted it to look a certain way. I didn't have a tier tray and I thought I can just make it as glam as possible if I did it myself. So I thought it came out absolutely beautiful and I do have a video on that. So I would love for you guys to come visit my channel and check out the video. So all the items in the tray that I have here, the majority of them I did make on my own, and then some of them, of course, I bought items from the Dollar Tree. Now on the top part of the tray, I decided to make these cute little sweet little ice cream sundaes. Then I don't know where I purchased this diamond ring from, but I thought it would be beautiful for the occasion. I also decided to drape over that microfiber white cloth that you can get at the Dollar Tree. I draped it over the side. I thought that looks beautiful. And that crystal gem, I think I got that at TJ Maxx. Absolutely gorgeous. So how I normally decorate a tier tray is I usually gather all of the items that I would like to incorporate in the tray, and then what I do is I try to kind of work in size order. So I usually place the bigger items toward the back. I usually try to incorporate some florals, and depending on what kind of decor I want the tray to be decorated with, I usually work from tall to smaller, working in the front. Also, you have to consider how much things weigh, and so I usually try to squeeze in everything that looks glam. But that's normally how I do it. I thought I would show you a little bit of what I had in my tray, and then I decided to display everything on my coffee table. So let's jump into the video, guys. Okay, I normally move things around until I find the proper place for it. And so you're going to see me moving. This is a floral arrangement I made for Valentine's Day / winter, my floral change out for the season. And so it just happened. I had a red truck, Valentine's Day theme. And so I thought that would work out wonderful to display on the coffee table. There's what the tier tray looks like prior to me decorating it. And so I'm going to be moving stuff around, so enjoy the video. I just want to say thank you to atpennysplace for the opportunity to collab in this tier trade challenge. And so if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. I'll see you in the next one.